When it is mango time in Jamaica, but you're 1,580 miles away and still decided that you want to eat mango. Look here, people. May I tell you, sometimes I don't know if I salt or a bad lucky. Cause me say, last year me plan on me a come to Jamaica in July no, cause every time me come down like February, March, April before mango time. And me well plan and say me a go to Jamaica July this year. And me say my father don't know more than dead February. So me did have to come to Jamaica. Me have to just look on the mango them on the tree. And just say, boy, me now go get no mango this year again. Me I tell you, cause me can't make one next trip down there again just to go eat mango. So me not make no plan here, man. Maybe next year me can come. Me I make sure me not make no plan so nothing else not happen. Right. So if you all know out there into the Julia, East Indian, fine skin and Millie mango, whatever. Me no grudge Me no grudge because a mango this name. Me don't know what name though. If anybody know the mango here name, you can put in the comment section and tell me. Me just go and shop and see mango and decide to me want to eat mango and me buy mango. Me don't know the name. You don't tell me the name if you don't know it. But me just have to know, say me no grudge for no Julia, no East India, no Millie mango, number 11 mango hot like how. When you put in a house, you can't sleep in there. You have burn up. So you can keep around the mango and have out there, eat as much as you want. Go a bush and full up bucket of mango and you not have to eat no food. After you eat mango, because your belly full. Why, me I tell you. Why? Me feel it, man, me feel it. But anyway, me I eat my mango. A mango this name. You see it? Mango. Why, yellow. I look same way like a mango. So nobody can show off man. Me I say they might truly mango and East Indian mango whatever. Me I eat mango too. So when I enjoy food mango, me I enjoy my mango too.